What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is something I've wanted to do for about 2 years now. 2 years ago today, actually, I brought home that purple Silverado. If you guys have been here since then, let me know in the comments down below. If you haven't, welcome. Over the course of the next month, I kind of wanted to do a video every day leading up to Christmas. Now, other people do this on YouTube, not so much in the automotive category, because it's just, I don't think I've ever seen it before, but we're gonna attempt it. We're gonna attempt to do a video every day leading up to Christmas, so 25 days in a row, you should have a video from me. I'm gonna try my best. We might miss a day here and there, but I'm gonna try my best to get all 25 in there. We're obviously gonna finish the pink truck in that, in a bunch of other things, but you will see pretty much what I do every day to make these videos a thing. So I think you're gonna see a different side. I think it's gonna be pretty cool. So you're gonna see everything. So I think it'll be awesome. I've wanted to do this for 2 years, and if you guys are down, let me know in the comments below. But other than that, let's get working on the pink truck.
I need all the wins, yeah. Ain't no L's, I gotta get a no call and quits, yeah. Gotta keep on moving no matter how hard it gets, yeah. Better move out the way, cause I'm coming with harder hits. My head is as hard as a brick, but I'm harder than all it is. You better move, you might get knocked out, knocked out. You better move, you might get knocked out, knocked out. You better move, you might get knocked out, knocked out. You better move, you might get knocked out, knocked out. My heart on my sleeve, stress, shield my greed. That's how I get it, success ain't no giving. Some days I don't hit, I don't sleep. When I'm focused, I'm dangerous. They don't want it when I'm anxious. Ain't no limit till I tank. I'm running on fumes. The opposition don't amaze. The roads racing through the pavement. Get your hands out of my bag. I know that's because I've been in it. I don't need to brag. I guess that's what happens when you taking care of your business. Plus a family, you do the math. I'm out of my pocket. Houston, we got a problem. I ain't perfect, let them watch me. Elevating, got them nauseous. Cause I'm the pilot in the cockpit. Nose diving in the housing. Woo! Watch out, get ahead. Watch out, get ahead. Watch out, get ahead. Woo! Watch out, set it up. Bet you I shut it down. Watch out, get a win. I don't think they really wanna come against the winner. Got a finger run up in on a grenade. I ain't never been there when you think you compare. I'm a line, but the winner about the cage. I need all the wins, yeah. Ain't no L's, I gotta get a no call and quits, yeah. Gotta keep on moving no matter how hard it gets, yeah. Better move out the way, cause I'm coming with harder hits. My head is as hard as a brick, but I'm harder than all it is. You better move, you might get knocked out, knocked out. You better move, you might get knocked out.
Alright guys, so it's installed there. We got the EGT probe installed. We got the boost line installed. Not gonna lie, going through the firewall, it kinked a little bit at the end, so we're gonna have to splice it. I was gonna literally finish everything under the hood, which is literally just putting the windshield washer sprayer nozzles in there, but your boy lost them, so I gotta order 2 new tomorrow. And then we'll run the hose, do that, and then this hood, and then put our weather stripping back on the cowl, and then this hood can actually finally close until we open it to clean it. So tearing into someone else's prior project, like, as you know, I got this off of a buddy, but it's been a hand, like a, you know, like an owner, a few before that. And you could just see, like, they ran these rock lights which to this switch, which I can't really remove that, it's kind of stuck, so we're gonna figure that out. But all the wiring in here was just whack, and there's bud connectors galore, and I don't like that. There's a way to splice in that's a lot cleaner. So I'm definitely gonna clean this up. It went from like a, you know, it went from like a 14 gauge to a 18 gauge back to a 14 gauge. Audio and stuff should be going in here in the next few days. We just got a 0 gauge kit for this with a distribution block, so we can run speaker amps and sub amp in this. So like I said, we're trying to work our way back here. We're gonna finish everything up front, which, like I said, just the washers now, and we'll work our way to the mirrors and inside, and then the only thing in the back is really the tail lights and the bumper, and then we can rock light this whole thing up as we're done. So we're gonna work our way back and get this thing buttoned up. Cheers. Okay guys, so we're in the process of getting the gauges back in. This is not the way to tee into something and add an extra wire. This actually ended up running all the way up to the cab lights and also ran to the gauge pod here for the lights that turn on. This is not the way to tee into something. Neither it is here. I don't know why people love bud connectors, but I hate bud connectors. I guess the simplest way I could tell you right now, I could just do it real quick for you, but That's how you tap into something, not like that.
Is that working?
It's going down. It's going down, 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 down. It's going down, down.
Alright guys, well before we finish this video, Patrick from New Jersey, I want to say thank you for this. You run the, he says he runs the eBay store, East Coast Technology. He buys pallets, and apparently, yeah, a lot of them. He sent us so many knives. I just want to say thank you for that, because we use this stuff daily, and we go through them and we lose them, and I take them home, and yeah. So I appreciate that. We're definitely going to use all of them. I'm pretty sure we've used like 7 of them already.
Actually, the best part about these
yeah, no,
is,
look at this. This one's crazy.
I gotta break it off. Hang on, this might fly. There it goes.
It just fell out. But
So
look
it
at
just
look
fell
at
out.
this one.
Automatically reloaded. Like
Yeah.
what? Every time you pull one out, oh, I'm out of blades. Automatically reloads you every time you break one.
Yeah. But like, no, that's super awesome. But I just want to say thank you to Patrick. When people do stuff like this, it's honestly, it's awesome. It really pushes me, keeps me going. I don't have a P.O. box, but I don't even think I have the address anywhere. But if you guys, anyone else wants to send this, I mean, Patrick did some digging, but I'll put the address on the screen if anyone else wants to send anything. Like I said, it doesn't have to be crazy like this, but letters, notes, pictures, whatever. I'll put the address on the screen and you can ship it here. No. You guys saw that I unboxed the new track bar. I actually bought because I was gonna put the leveling kit on this thing, I bought a adjustable track bar. I'm gonna be honest, it was a zone adjustable track bar, but this could sound weird, but the girth was not right. It was just thin. It was super thin, and I really didn't like it. So I went and bought a stock track bar because because it's just a 6-inch lift, so the track bar drop bracket will handle that. But like I said, I did not like that adjustable track bar, so I went out and got a new factory track bar for this. And I mean, we're gonna throw that on the next video, but yeah, I didn't like that adjustable one, so we got a new OEM one. As you guys saw, we finally got the pillar gauges in. I was gonna do all 4. I ordered a actual 4 pillar gauge mount for that, but I ended up, this thing isn't gonna haul much, so I opted to not put the trans temp gauge in. But we got the DP tuner, and then we've got the boost and the EGTs in there, which is awesome. That was actually a pain cleaning that thing up. But we got both banks gauges in there now. This is for the remote start and security system on this. Whoever had this before me put a alarm and all that on here, remote start, the whole 9. Y'all crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna tint this windshield, so I'm not gonna stick this antenna back on here until this is all tinted, but I can get that mirror off. Other than that, here, these are actually, yeah, I don't think I showed you guys them lighting up. You see the light up from Banks, that's pretty sweet. I was actually quite worried that they'd kind of be like the old school, like yellow, but no, they're definitely that new school, like 6000K white. We got the front handles in finally. Waiting on that. What else? We gotta put the glass in. I still wanna find a tan steering wheel. If somebody's got one, email me, because I think somebody said they had one a while ago, but I don't think I ever either got your email or you responded to my comment that I responded to you to. So if you've got a tan steering wheel, email me. Let's make a deal on that. What else here? So with this, like I said, we wired the gauges to work with the headlights and the cab lights. These mirrors got to do the same thing, so we got to get some wires through the door, get those mirrors to work. Finally figured those out. I was dreading this whole gauge install, so I'm glad that's done because that took a minute to clean all that out. But now that that's done, I can focus on getting these mirrors to actually work right. Like I said, these are new style mirrors on an old style Ford, and they don't have white running lights. So I'm using the Recons and I'm retrofitting them into the aftermarket mirrors for the new Super Duties, and I'm gonna make these have white running lights in the mirrors, which is super sweet. That's gonna take some time tomorrow, but I gotta do this one and then completely disassemble that one without breaking it, and then put that back together as well. So there's that, and I also misplaced my profile LED strip for the headlight, so we have to, I gotta order a new one of those and then we can get the headlights in, and that's fine. But like I said, honestly guys, a couple more videos. I know it seems like a lot and there's a lot missing, but a couple more videos and this thing should be one complete truck.